Hey, what's up everyone? It's David here. I've got a box here, and not just any box. Inside is the Jonsbo D31, and I'm going to be unboxing it. So that's what's coming up. Before I begin, if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. Okay, let's get to it, shall we? So, I've got the safety warning here. Leaflet. Just a standard thing they sent in the actual thingy. And I picked the display one, so it's got the actual LCD screen that I'll be getting to the case later on. You can add that as an add-on. It's the DS8, so if you didn't order it with the case, you can later add that on. It costs roughly the same amount, maybe £10 more. Okay, let's get to it, shall we? Let's remove the polystyrene. We got the box, the transparent plastic bag. So I picked the black with the mesh on. So I picked the black to match the Xbox Series X look. It's got the little dot holes like the Xbox, so it will match. Sorry for the odd laugh, but yeah, it happens. So this is where the LCD display will go on there. It's not a touch screen, it's just a secondary display. See the mesh look, you can see through the light. And I've had it next to the Xbox Series X, and it does match it. So, and that's the display screen that will go on later. But for now, I'll just stick the mesh back on. Click, click. Okay. So we've got the side metal panel. Holes for the 120 fan on the back, as well as where the motherboard will go in. And below that, obviously the expansion slots for the graphics card. Glass window on the side. You can see what's going on inside. Okay, so I'm going to remove the side panel, which is the back of the motherboard underneath. That's the power cord. The PSU is actually in the front, unlike normally at the back. So it needs an extension to reach. And you've got the 3.0 front bust for the socket and the on-off switch. That's the 2.5 hard drive or SSD mount. You got two of those on this case. Let's take the tampered glass off. You can see on the sticker on the side there, it says that it's tampered, so it won't shatter. Right, so now let's get the DS8, the secondary display screen. You can use this as a primary screen, but I'm not sure if you really want to use a 7-inch screen as your main monitor. Remove the seal tape. Should come off. There you go. Okay, so we've got the user manual. Tells you how to set up the screen, as well as how it connects. So USB-C, that's where it gets the power from. HDMI to mini HDMI. Some screws. And now the screen itself. Like I said, this is not a touch screen. This is just a display. It is in fact a HD screen, but most screens are now HD anyway, so. See there, it's finished it off in black around the sides and the back. So it gets its power from the USB-C and it gets its input display from the HDMI. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the mesh cover off and stick on the LCD display. There we go. The screen has got on-off switch on the side as well as the brightness levels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Like always, see you out there.